Okay, here's a quick video on a septic that is malfunctioning. You'll see the sludge buildup in the effluent chamber. I pumped it down a little bit so we can see the pipe, and so that we don't have water coming into our field as we're working. A lot of this is due to detergents, a lot of showering, a lot of laundry. So the effluent that comes into this chamber hasn't had a chance to break down, and it's just not working right. This is an infiltrator system. You can see our main feed comes in here, branches out into a bowhead, and then there's five leachers that go out, and you can see everything is just saturated with water, just full. Yeah.
First thing we should get is that filter cloth.
Yeah, I got some.
Because that way I can pull that in.
Yeah.
That off too, eh?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go get it right now. I got some.
Now we're gonna put the next one back the right away.
Okay, you got it. I'm just gonna document this. And here's the infiltrator. Now, that's the base of it. That's the base of it. And you can see there's a whole buildup of roots and decomposition. So totally full, not working right, and it has to be replaced. This is part one. Thanks for watching.